how can you build this combo of reaching out to right person? How can you do that to reaching out to right person with at right time and with right message?
Cool, cool. So as simple as you would have seen a lot of performance marketers who are over-indexed on Facebook ads.
Yeah.
Uh, Everything that they say will start with Facebook ads and end with Facebook ads, right?
Huh.
Because of their comfort with that channel, they might have delivered a lot of results using their channel. The moment you ask them to talk about Google, they might fumble, right? Or they may say that, hey, it is expensive, you shouldn't be testing, right? Either they will fumble or they will drive you away from taking that decision.
Yeah,
But
they will just defend Facebook ads. I'm so sorry, cut you off.
exactly, if
Yeah,
you
continue.
actually talk about Google ads, it's a very simple form of performance marketing, right? When you go to Google when you have a need, right? And you're, let's say you're planning to go to a wedding, your friend's wedding, couple of weeks down the line, and you want to buy a leather shoe, right? You go to Google and you search for, hey, leather shoe size, or if you have a preferable brand, you put that. My ad showing up there to drive you to my website, and I showcase you a beautiful product. The price point is working for you, and I have great reviews. There is nothing more that I need to do, right? In this case, you are the person who searched for who searched for the keyword. I showed up as an ad, right? It's showing up in the right place at the right time when you are actually about to make a buying decision. I am leading you to a website where I give you all the information where you can trust me. If I'm a Flipkart or Myntra, I don't have to establish trust every time because I built that over a period of time, right? But if I'm a relatively new brand, I need to build that trust. Otherwise, you will come and check out my website and you will not buy. This is
Right.
what happens with a lot of fresh brands when you start with, right? You will see a lot of good engagement, people coming and spending time, but they will just not buy because they don't trust you enough. So what can you do on the website to create that trust? Can you put video reviews of your customers? Can you put media logos that has talked about you, right? Can you make the offer so attractive that the price point is not even matched by Amazon or Flipkart, right? There are so many different ways you could establish trust and convert that brand. That is what I call as a right message. Right message is not necessarily a piece of text, right?
Yeah.
It is exactly what is going to convince that user after you have showed up the right time. Right? So the
Mhm.
simplest form of performance marketing is Google search ads. Simplest form of performance marketing is Facebook retargeting with a great offer, right? Another form of performance marketing is, let's say, if you're a buyer, existing customer, and you haven't shopped since the couple of months, what kind of an offer or a campaign can I run to engage you to come and buy again, right? So identifying different segments, be it unknown customers or known customers, breaking open that customer segments. How do you activate each of that customer segment? How do you define an offer for each of these segments? And which channels do you use to drive that offer? In a nutshell, is performance marketing.
Right. True. True.